On this episode, I'll be showing you how to fix a DE error on your LG washing machine. So let me show you what I mean. So you turn your washing machine on and you put it on a cycle and you press play. And then you wait and you wait and the door doesn't lock. So the first thing that happens when a washing machine, when you press start, the door locks. So you can see there we're getting a DE error, which means door error. So the first thing you want to check is to make sure that the door is closed properly, which it is. You press that, and if the error comes back again, it means that we need to replace the door lock. So this is what I mean by a door lock. So a door lock is one of these. So you need to replace that. To replace that, you're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver and a flat screwdriver. So what you're going to need to do is turn the washing machine off. Unplug it at the power, because we don't want to get shockies. Then open the door. You're going to take your flat screwdriver, and there's a rubber ring, there's a ring around this door seal that you want to pry out. It's pretty simple to remove, so we'll do it together. So you're looking for the position where the spring is, which is down there. Put your flat screwdriver in there and push it forwards, and you can pry the spring out. There you go, because we want to access the door switch, which is here. Now that we've got, just fold this back. All right, here we go. Sweet. So the next stage is we want to change the door lock, which is that bit there. It's held in by two Phillips head screws. So you want to take those off. You might want to put your hand at the back there so that the switch doesn't fall in there. Either way, keep all your screws together. Either way, it's held by a harness at the back there. So as you can see, we've got our door switch out. That's the main culprit. So you're going to need to wiggle the harness that's holding it out, and she's out. So that's what you're looking at. That's the door switch. We'll change that. So out with the old and in with the new. It's a pretty simple fix. There we go. You put the new door switch in. Remember to put back that harness, because you'll go on to turn it and then it'll give you the same error again. You think you've done something wrong. So there we go. So these door locks might cost you about $50. Small price to pay. These are really good machines. All you need to do is quote the model number. I'll post a link below to where you can buy these door switches. Should be good. Now that we've done that, we need to put back the seal so that it's in its right position. We don't want it leaking on us. So the seal is pretty simple to put in. You're basically putting it back in its enclosure. So it goes around the lip. There's a metal lip on the washer. Once you have it around there, you need to put the retaining clip back on. Otherwise, it's gonna pop out. And then you'll have bigger problems. All right, so put the retaining clip back. So to put it back, pretty simple. Put the wire bit first and go with the spring last. So you sort of stretch it so that the spring stretches. Goes in there. Use your flat screwdriver to make sure that it's all the way home. And just have a feel and a look-see so you know that it's home. Right, next thing we want to do is plug the machine back in to power and see if our repair worked. All right, so turn him on. Just do a quick test. So if that happens, that means that you've got a problem with the main board, the main computer. So you're going to need to replace this main computer. That might cost you about 180 Australian dollars. Just depends where you get it. You could get a second-hand one, but as far as I'm concerned, you are going to need a new door switch, because this one is not even registering. The key sign there should be on, but it's not. So that's it. All right, so if you need any help, comment in the comment section below. If it worked for you, good for you. But in this case, mine is a new board. All right. So we're just going to try to change the door switch with another one to make sure that it works properly. And I've just gone ahead and I've changed it. I'm just going to see how it goes. Second time's a charm. So put on spin, press start, wait for that clicking sound, that glorious clicking sound. You've got that door lock sign on there. So that means we are in business. Bingo. I'm a very happy guy. So hope you have as much luck as I have. Just replace the door switch and it will work. Otherwise, it's the board that needs replacement.